Now coming to the exercise questions. Question number 1 is 3 positions of a dice are given. Based on them, find out which number is opposite the number 2 in the given dice. So, we have given 3 different positions of a single dice, and we have to find out which will be the opposite face of 2. This 2. Okay, this one face we have to find out the opposite one. Now, first of all, what we have to do, we have to check whether this dice is a standard dice or a general dice. As I told that in general dice, the sum of the adjacent faces, this is 6 and this is 1. Sum of the adjacent faces will be is equals to 7. So it will be a general dice. Why? Because in the standard dice, the opposite sum of the opposite faces should be 7. Okay, and the sum of the adjacent faces should not be equal to 7 in the standard dice, but in the general dice it can be there. So we will follow the rule of general dice, which is that we have to take any 2 dice. Okay, what we have to do now, you have to take any 2 dice. Let us say 1 and 2 dice position, and take the common number. What is common here? You can see common face is 6. Here is also 6. So I have taken 6 here, and we have to move clockwise. Okay, then 6, then 4, then after that 1. Okay, again I have taken this common face 6, and I have to move clockwise. That is 3. After 6 we have 3, then we have 5. So from here it is concluded that this is the method. 4 and 3 are opposite faces, 1 and 5 are opposite, and 6. And what is remaining? 2. 6 and 2 are opposite. 6 and 2 are opposite faces. Similarly, 4 and 3 are opposite, and 1 and 5 are opposite faces. With this rule, this is called as clockwise rule, we will use for finding out the answer. So for this question, option A will be the correct answer. Now moving further to the next question, that is question number 3. Just kind of same question, only the difference is the dots are given at the face, not numbers. So we can also write numbers like this. Okay, this is 5, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, and the same thing we have to follow, because this is the general dice, as 3 plus 4, that is adjacent faces, sum of the adjacent faces 7. Now take the common, what we have to do, we have to take the common number or common face, that is 2. Okay, 2, then rotate clockwise, 2, 4, okay, then 3, like this. Now again take the common face 2 and rotate clockwise, 2, 1 and 5. So from here you can see the opposite of 4 is 1, the opposite of 3 is 5. These are the opposites, and at the last what number is remaining? 2, and what is remaining? 6. Okay, so from here we can see that what we have to find, we have to find out 2 position of the dice are shown below. What is the number of dots at the bottom face when the dice is in the position 1? So at the position 1, you can see at the top we have 2, so we have to find out the opposite face, that is on bottom. So we have found that the opposite face of 2 is 6. Again we got the correct answer as option C. This will be our correct answer. Now moving further to question number 6. Again same type of question is there. 2 positions of a dice are shown below. When number 1 is on the top, what number will be at the bottom? Okay, so means what we have to do, we have to find out the opposite face of this 1. Same thing we will do, we will take the common face. Okay, but here see, we have two common faces, 6, 6, 4 and 4. In such type of cases, what we have to do is, just we have to take the different numbers, uncommon numbers, okay, that is 1 and 5. So here 1 and 5 will be opposite directly. You can also check.